All right guys, it's Matt with Piedmont Paving, and today is the day we are finally done with General RV. Started paving this job July 9th. It is, September 10th, 11th, so 2 months. In between, obviously we had to take care of other customers in between that, but a solid, I'd have to count the days of how many paving we spent out here, but almost 19,000 tons of asphalt over a span of 2 months. It's been a fun one, to say the least. The biggest job we've ever done. It's finished now. We can take a sigh, a big deep breath of relief that we're done with it. We've got, some odds and end things. We finished up all the striping and the signs yesterday. We had 2 speed bumps to put in when they finished some gates. But other than that, this job is wrapped up, concrete side and asphalt side. It's been a heck of a journey. We've been here since January, mucking mud out from the building while they were putting the steel up for the building, and then stone and then asphalt. So we've been here for a while. We're glad to see this one wrapped up. It's been a nice learning experience. We got to introduce GPS grading. We've got learned a new couple things about a lot of different stuff. Broke in the new striper. We used a lot of the Graco line laser stuff, the laser systems out here on these big long lines. So technology definitely played a factor in this job. Some of the new technology in our industry helped us out on this one for sure. Working with Shawcheck has been good. Adam Pleck here, the superintendent for Shawcheck, has been great, and Larry, they brought on Larry. He's actually from Salisbury, North Carolina, and those two, the superintendents, have been great to work with. Adam's been one of the best ones I've worked for since I've been full-time here at Piedmont Paving. He just knows what's going on. He's got a lot of experience in the new construction industry. He kind of sees things that a lot of other superintendents haven't seen, that I haven't dealt with before, that we have to point out, that he sees, he'll catch. So it's been nice. It's been nice getting to know him. We've developed a little bit of a friendship. We're gonna miss seeing him. We've tried to talk him into staying in North Carolina, and we'll put a good word for him here at one of the GCs, but I think he's going back to Michigan here in a couple of weeks. But it's been a pleasure working with him. We're glad that it's done.
I'm Adam Fleck. I'm the General Superintendent and Supervisor for Shawcheck Incorporated. We're a design-build general contractor, and we were hired to come down here and build a new general RV retail center. Pretty big project. Took over a year. In regards to our site work, we had a lot of challenges in regards to weather and the type of dirt we had to do and deal with and stuff. So talking about Piedmont Paving in regards to what they had to do to accomplish this job and complete it was quite a challenge. We had a lot of rain, a lot of weather challenges, undercuts. Working with their team from Piedmont, Matt Weiss and Matt McGee, they did a great job in regards to communications, keeping the job rolling. In regards to the schedule, they did a pretty good job, considering that we probably had at least 30 to 40 rain days documented on this job. We're only about 2 weeks behind schedule, but the owner's happy. In regards to Piedmont's performance, they did a pretty good job. All their field guys were good to work with, and I think their quality of work is good. Basically their asphalt and then finished striping and signage came out pretty nice. It was a large job, so I think overall it came out pretty nice. The owners have come down and visited in the last few weeks and last couple days actually, and they are quite impressed with how it looks, and they think it's a beautiful site, and they think it came together pretty nice. I think with a combination of working with multiple trades on the site work to get where Piedmont had to go, it was a challenge. Earthwork, underground utilities and everything, but overall they worked with us. They're a team player, and we're a contractor out of Michigan, so if Piedmont Paving was willing to travel and come up to Michigan, we'd be using them anytime. I think they did a great job.
And we're moving on to bigger and better things. They're bringing in RVs now. This lot's gonna be filled up, so it's right here on 85. So it's nice to be able to put our stamp on something right here that's gonna get us a ton of traffic. And this is a job, ultimately, would be a nice feather in our hat. If we ever do any big ones again like this, we can always point out General RV and say, yeah, we can handle it. So thank y'all for following along, staying tuned to the process here. It's been a fun one, but I am ready to move on to some different ones here. The hour drive, the long nights, the 65-hour weeks are were wearing on all of us, the whole crew. All the boys did fantastic on this job. Everybody got pushed hard. We worked some long hours, some long weeks, but we got it wrapped up, just meeting schedules. So I think everybody's glad that we're moving on to the next one. We're in Greensboro now, and this playoffs are starting to ramp up, and here we are. So stay tuned, because we got a lot more to show y'all this year as we hit playoff season and keep on rolling. So thank you for following along, and we'll catch you on the next one.